that much.
Nongkrem MLA Aden Miller Basayomoy today raised a zero-hour discussion on the imperative need to safeguard the uniqueness of Lakadong Turmeric in Meghalaya. Known as one of the world's finest varieties, exclusively grown in the Jaintia Hills region, this turmeric boasts a remarkable curcumin content of up to 12%, surpassing other varieties. To safeguard and promote its uniqueness, the government of Meghalaya had launched Mission Lakadong, focusing on capacity building, technology adoption and market access for farmers. Furthermore, an application for a geographical indication tag was initiated in 2019 and the tag was officially awarded on November 29, 2023. The GI tag stands as a crucial milestone in preserving the heritage and economic viability of Lakadong turmeric in Meghalaya.
The decline on the sale of Lakadong Turmeric, which has really surprised me. Sir, they told me that the reason is because other people from other states have planted Lakadong Turmeric by taking the rhizomes from here and sell the produce by using the name of Lakadong Turmeric. So this has diluted the quality of original Lakadong Turmeric, and since their soils cannot yield the same quality of turmeric.